We are at Choctaw Durant here in Oklahoma. We're gonna play a little free play. Gonna play the Lightning Link high stakes. Gonna play the penny. Got about $12 in free play loaded up here. Just gonna play the 50 cent. See if we can make a little bit of money. A little bit rainy headed up here today, but it was nice weather otherwise. It's supposed to get really hot later this week. That's what we want. We want 3 of those golden suitcases. That gives us the free game. Or if we can get 6 of those, it starts the lock and link. Nothing going on yet. All right, we just need 4 more of those. Not even really getting much. Decent little line here there, but nothing. It's not acting like it wants to wake up here. Oh man. All right, about $1. It's not completely dead, but it's not doing just a whole lot. Not bad. Need to get a bonus game. $4. Not a bad line hit. Okay, so the line hits are coming. How about a bonus game? I was on this machine, the same one, about a month or 2 ago, and it basically did the same thing I'm doing here, playing my $20 free play. And this thing got me up to like 80 something dollars. I can't remember, but it was a nice little hit. Because I mean, almost 3 or 4 spins into it, I got the bonus game with the chips. But it doesn't look like it's going to do that for us today. There's 2 more. All right, y'all. We're gonna see if we get the. All right, so we got the lucky chance win, and nothing. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. All right, y'all. We finally got this. I put a little more free play into this, and started out with 20, got down to $5.21, but we did get the free games. So. Just to refresh, we've got the minor at 50, the mini at 10, that major's 562, and the grand is 16,192. I automatically get the grand if I fill this screen up with these chips. The chips can also land with those bonuses on them if they say mini, major, minor, grand. So let's see what it's got in store for us. Nothing there. Come on, save it. Oh no. Give me one. Just give me one. Okay, that was like the worst. Because every time it gives you one, it resets, but oh well. I'm going to continue playing this just to see. That's a small little bonus there. Small little bonus. Maybe that means it's going to give me a big honking bonus the next time it hits. What do you think the odds are on that? Or maybe it's just like, hey, this just isn't your day. That could be it too. We'll play this all the way down, and then I am definitely done with this machine because it appears to be done with me. Little $2.75 hit, that's not bad. Oh, I thought it was going to give me that third suitcase. Come on, baby. No, just gonna tease me, huh? Just gonna tease me a little bit. All right. Let's see if we get the winner on this. See if this does anything. I've heard of people jackpotting on these, but that's not going to be me. All right, we're gonna go look for something else. Thanks so much for watching, y'all. I'm playing on here on this money charge boost, and I put 30 in, and it's looking really good so far. I'm not sure, I don't think I've played this one at all before either, but you've got 3 spins remaining. Come on, save me, baby. Boost! All right. It adds to it with the boost. I like that. Now, just so we know what we're looking at, we've got a $10 mini, $50 minor, $685 major, and a $13,000 grand. And we got 3 more spins. Let's see what we can do. Drop something, baby. Drop something. All right, not too bad. I don't know if y'all have ever played this money charge boosted, but kind of fun. All right, not bad at all. 18 bucks. I think I'll play this a little bit longer. Play this down to 30. See if it wants to boost again. Two-way there. Decent little line hit there. Drop me 6 of those. The wolves are wild. I'm pretty sure if I got a third one of those, that's another bonus game. One more spin. All right, well, made 10 bucks on that one. That was a lot of fun. Thanks so much for watching, y'all. All right, we are gonna try a little of this Dragon Link here. Peacock Princess. I'm gonna play at the penny, 50 cents. Let's look at the jackpots. We've got $10 mini, $50 minor, $778 major, and $17,000 and change for the grand. I'll take the grand. Here we go. Ooh, right off the bat, $3.70, not bad. I like it starting out with line hits. That's a very nice thing. How about we get a bonus game? How about we drop a lot of those little suns, orbs, whatever you want to call them. Come on, 3 more. It's acting like it wants to pay me a bonus. Ooh, that would have been nice. 10 and 2 5s. Okay, went a little bit quiet on us here. Ooh, this is gonna be good. Oh, yeah. I got the big win, $7. We're back up to our 20. That's not a bad line hit at all. So definitely not a boring game. If it can keep us alive to hit us, get us to a bonus screen, then I will be tickled to death. Come on, drop those orbs, drop those orbs. All right, down to 13. Well, with the exception of that one we got earlier, we have not had much in the way of bonuses. Now this is special. Okay, I didn't even see this one coming. All right, so this is a special feature if you get these 3 peacocks. That's me not paying attention. So this is pretty cool. 6 free games. Let's see what lands in the middle. Oh, that means we automatically get the drop and link game. The Dragon Link game comes out of this. I am thrilled. That's $2.50, and it's going to fill those other ones, hopefully all the way, because that'll be the grand. Got $5 there. Gonna reset it to 3. Got $1.50. Reset it to 3. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, I think I saw a miner go by. Okay, last free spin. Come on, drop something, baby. All right, that's all right. $9, and I still have some free spins on the other part of this game. There you go, nice hit. Oh, I wish that $12.50 had hit. Pre-game number 5. Oh, that's a wild. Okay, not bad. We're up to $30. Okay, that was a good little run. Let's see if we can do this again. Yeah, I forgot all about those peacocks. Come on, baby, 3 more. Come on. Pretty please, give me a bonus. Yep, let's see that mini drop all by itself. That's not too bad of a tease. I had one earlier in the month that dropped 5 of the 6, and 2 of them were majors. 6 would have been, you know, started the game, of course. Oh, one more peacock. Come on, baby, show me something. Come to daddy. Come to daddy. right, we're about back to our original 20. Dropping some color there. That's a good sign. Means if it actually does drop all 6, maybe we'll get those big ones there, 750 and 5. I'm going to raise the bet to $1. See if that'll trigger anything here. Not much. All right, I'm gonna go back down to 50 cents. There's 2 of those peacocks there. Really showing me those peacocks. I wonder if it's about to throw something on me here. Or is it just teasing the living heck out of me? The world may never know. Come on, baby. Oh, one away. All right, so down at 280. It looks like she's just gonna chew us up, spit us out a little bit. All right, 2 more spins. And last spin. All right, we'll do the choose dragon. And no winner on that. All right, y'all, thanks for watching. We're gonna go find something else. Okay, y'all, we're gonna play the Lightning Link again. This is once again those high stakes, kind of like the one I was playing earlier, but this is a different machine. We're here at Choctaw Casino, Durant, Oklahoma. Got $20 in. Let's see if this wants to throw us money our way. It's interesting, I'm looking at this right here. This was what it defaulted on the last time. That would be quite nice, $100. Let's see if it wants to give us any kind of a bonus. The other one I played earlier today gave me one little bitty bonus, but nothing really extravagant. So hopefully this one play a little bit better for us. We're looking for 6 of those chips or 3 of those golden suitcases in a row. Well, anywhere on the screen, actually. It doesn't have to be in a row. $6 hit right there. That's nice. Those Vegas signs are wild. Come on, baby. Oh, thought it was going to give me the suitcase bonus. One more. Oh. Kind of teasing us here. Not kind of, very much teasing us. One more. Oh. You are definitely teasing us. See, you're going to drop 6 of them, and some of them are going to be the major and the minor. That's what you're going to do. here in the non-smoking section of Choctaw. This is the Sky Tower area. They just recently built this. Well, I say recently, in the last couple of years. Really nice area. I don't think this is as big as Windstar. I've always kind of felt like Windstar was bigger. But this one's still pretty massive. Look at that miner teasing me there. Still pretty good sized casino here. Really, really is. With this addition, this section plus the old section, you can literally get your steps in if you want to walk the casino floor. Which I'll be happy to do once I get a bonus win here. Come on. Come on, baby. Well, shoot. Come on. Ah. How about give me 8, including a minor and a major. Give me 8 chips. Or 3 of those right there. Oh. I'll take any bonus you want to give me right now. I am not going to be picky. As long as it bonuses, I'll be happy. Come on, come on. You always know if it drops 3 right there, you can pretty much guess it's not giving you the other 3. All right, got a couple more spins here. Last spin, and we will play the game here, see if we can get the winner. All right, what did chance spin win? Let's see if it does anything. Okay, 30 cents. So we're gonna go do the same thing again. And that's not a win. All right, y'all, thanks so much for watching.